Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths World. Now in this video also we are going to continuing with the chapter 3 for 6th standard, that is integers. Now today we are going to learn about the topic comparing integers. Very easy topic. Now how to compare the integers. Okay, before that, as you can see the number line over here. Okay, what is written above that number line? If we add 1 to any number on the number line, we get next number on the right. That means अगर कौन से भी number में हम लोग 1 add कर दे, then we get the next number on the right side. Okay, so here we have 1. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैंने 1 लिख दिया. According to this sentence, if I add 1 to this, okay, अगर मैंने 1 को add कर दिया, so what will I get? I get the number 2. That is the next number on the right side. Okay, similarly if I add 3 plus 1, so what I get? 4. That is the next number on the right side. Similarly over here, minus 2 is the number, so if I add plus 1 to this minus 1, okay, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे -2 + 1 कर दिया, so what I get over here? According to rules of addition of integers, here I get -1. Okay, that is the next number on the right side. That means every time if I add 1 to any number, then we get next number on the right side. And by this concepts we are going to compare the integers. Now if you observed very carefully, अगर मैंने 1 में 1 add कर दिया, I'll get the next number on the right side. That number is bigger than this one. Okay, मतलब जो right side पे number आ रहा है on the number line is always bigger than the number which is on the left hand side. 2 is bigger than 1, 3 is bigger than 2, also 1, 4 is bigger than 3, also bigger than 2, also bigger than 1. That means the number on the right hand side is always greater than the number on the left hand side on the number line. I am not saying in general, on the number line. So here we have the another statements. On a number line, every number is greater than the number on its immediately left by 1. मतलब left hand side में जो numbers है that are always lesser than the numbers which are on the right hand side. Another trick to compare the numbers I'll tell you. In case of positive integer, we all know which one is a bigger one and which one is a smaller one. We can immediately identify. मतलब अगर हम लोग को compare करना है 4 and 5 में, so obviously 5 is greater than 4. अगर मुझे compare करना है 100 and 101 में, so obviously 101 is bigger than 100. Next point is that positive numbers and अगर मेरे पास negative numbers है, always remember, if we have to compare between the positive number and the negative number, always positive numbers are greater. मतलब यहाँ पे मेरे पास एक नंबर है 4 एंड यहाँ पे मेरे पास नंबर है -4, सो ऑब्वियसली 4 इज़ द ग्रेटर. मतलब अगर कंपेयर करना है पॉजिटिव नंबर्स में एंड नेगेटिव नंबर्स में, सो पॉजिटिव आर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दैन द नेगेटिव नंबर्स. मतलब यहाँ पे नंबर है 100 एंड यहाँ पे नंबर है -2000. डजेंट मैटर व्हाट इज़ द नंबर, बट यहाँ पे 100 इज़ अ पॉजिटिव, सो 100 इज़ ग्रेटर दैन -2000. नेक्स्ट वन, इफ़ वी हैव टू कंपेयर 0 एंड पॉजिटिव नंबर, so always remember positive numbers are greater than the 0. Okay, but if we want to compare between two negative numbers, in case of positive numbers हम लोग कैसे करते थे कि whatever is a bigger that is the bigger number. But in case of negative numbers, अगर मुझे compare करना है -3 and -2 को, अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंटेंस जो अभी हम लोग ने लर्न किया, ऑन द नंबर लाइन द नंबर विच इज़ ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रेटर. मतलब अगर ये दो नंबर्स में नंबर लाइन पे देखो, -3 and -2, minus 2 is on the right hand side, so minus 2 is greater than minus 3. मतलब ये नेगेटिव नंबर्स में केस उल्टा है कि जो हम लोग को लग रहा है कि स्मॉलर है वो बिगर नंबर होगा. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स अ नेगेटिव नंबर. अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे कंपेयर करें -4 एंड -3 में, -4 एंड -3, -3 इज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द -4, सो यहाँ पे -3 कैसा होगा? बिगर होगा. बच्चों, in case of positive numbers and in case of negative numbers only one difference is there. what? कि positive numbers में bigger is always a bigger, but negative numbers में थोड़ा सा difference है कि अगर हम लोग को कंपेयर करना है -3 एंड -2 में, ऐसे अगर आप लोग देखें विदाउट साइन 3 इज अ बिगर, बट सिंस दे आर नेगेटिव सो -2 इज द बिगर नंबर बिकॉज वो राइट हैंड साइड पे आ रहा है ऑन द नंबर लाइन. ओके, सो दिस आर द ट्रिक्स. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व द प्रैक्टिस सेट. Here we have the practice set 7. Question number 1. Write the proper signs in the boxes below. जो नीचे boxes दिए हैं then we have to write the proper signs. Okay. So first one, -4 and 5 है. Obviously one positive number है and another is a negative number. So positive is bigger than the negative number. So here we have the 5 is greater than -4. 8 -10 है. Once again पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव इज ग्रेटर. +9 है, +9 है. विच वन इज अ बिगर? नो वन. वाई? बिकॉज बोथ आर इक्वल ना, सो वी हैव टू राइट इक्वल टू साइन. -6 and 0. वन मोर कंसेप्ट कि if we want to compare between negative number and 0, always 0 is greater than the negative numbers. Next one, 7 and 4. Both are positive numbers, so we can easily compare. 7 is the greater. 3 and 0. Okay, so यहाँ पे again positive है and 0 है. So 3 is the greater. -7 and 7. Negative number है, positive number है. Always positive numbers are greater. -12, 5 है. Negative, positive. Positive are greater. -2, -8. Now here we have to write very carefully. By looking that we feel that ki -8 is greater, but already as we learned ki in case of negative numbers, the number which are on the right hand side on the number line, they are always greater. That means -2 is greater. So between -1 and -2, -1 is greater. 6 and -3, 6 is greater. -14 and -14, both are equal. Okay, understood. Now once again we will revise कि if we want to compare between positive and negative number, always positive is greater. Next, if we want to compare between 0 and negative, then always 0 is greater. Next, if we want to compare between positive and 0, then always positive numbers are greater. Now that's all for today's video. If you like my video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.